Good morning to all. Today I am going to teach you Science Revision Chapter 2 Microorganism Friend and Foe. Microorganism is a term used for a living thing that is too small to be seen with the naked eyes. Microbiology is that branch of science which deal with the study of microorganisms. Microorganisms are all around us. Many microbes present in water and soil. Classification of microorganisms. Microorganisms may be single celled like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, or multicellular such as algae and fungi. Microorganisms can be classified into five major groups: bacteria, virus, algae, fungi, and protozoa. Bacteria, they are small unicellular organisms. The two common examples of bacteria are Lactobacillus and Rhizobium. Virus, they are extremely small and can be studied only with an electron microscope. Algae, they are the most primitive and simple plant-like organisms. They are found in moist places. The blue-green algae have the ability to fix nitrogen gas. Fungi. Fungi are non-green plants as their cells do not contain chlorophyll. Some of the examples of mold fungi are Rhizopus, Penicillium, and Aspergillus. Fungi causes diseases such as ringworm and athlete's foot. Protozoa. They are single-celled and smallest of the microbes. They live mostly in water, but some live in the soil too. Some examples of protozoa are Entamoeba, Plasmodium, etc. Only Euglena has chlorophyll and prepare its own food. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms are found in all types of habitats such as land, under the soil, underwater, in hot water, spring, in ice, deserts, even in volcanic eruptions. Microorganisms and us. Friendly microorganisms. They are used in the following ways. First, for making curd and bread. Second, commercial, making alcohol, breweries, etc. Third, medicinal, making antibiotics, vaccine, etc. Fourth, agriculture, increasing soil fertility. Fifth, environmental, cleaning the environment. Full microorganism. The microorganism which causes disease are called pathogens. Disease causing microorganism in humans. Disease that can be spread from an infected person to an healthy person are called communicable disease. Preventions of communicable disease. Some common disease in human caused by microorganisms: tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, measles, hepatitis A, malaria, chickenpox, and polio. Disease causing microorganism in plants. Disease causing microorganism in animals. Anthrax, it is a fatal disease of humans and cattle caused by a bacterium. Food preservation. Methods of food preservation are dehydration and sun drying, heating and smoking, boiling, salt and sugar, oil and vinegar. Chemical methods: refrigeration, pasteurization, store and packing. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is the major component of air. Air consists of nearly 78% of nitrogen. Plants and animals cannot use it in its free from available in the atmosphere. It has to be changed to nitrates before it can be used by plants. The cyclic process of nitrogen being fixed, used by plants and animals and later returned to the atmosphere is called nitrogen cycle. Look at the diagram nitrogen cycle to understand the process better. Thank you.